Can you see yourself in the 2023 Toyota Camry? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, lane keeping assist, backup camera, power passenger seat, satellite radio, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.